Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to the channel and today's video where this disaster is hiding some goodies that I want. And I feel the need for speed. No, I feel the need to do some baking. There's a few little treat things I've been thinking about lately. So I'm gonna do a bit of a pantry challenge, basically just cooking the things that I said I can't wait till I have free time and I'm gonna cook that thing. So we're gonna just have a quick look through to see what's in there. I know it's a complete mess. That will be another video that I organized because had a whole lot of stuff fall out on the floor. So I've left it there because it can't fall any further. So let's just have a quick look. I know I wanna make some biscuits and I think there's a cake mix in there somewhere. So we'll have a little look. So I love how completely misarranged my pantry is. We have breakfast things up here, which really should be kind of down here, but you know, we'll get to it, including this, which probably should be here. So this is going to be an amazing pantry makeover when I eventually get it. So the first thing I see is the oats. I'm gonna want those for some Anzac cookies. Next, I'm thinking a dessert, and in here I have odd jellies. I should probably make a jelly for the children, but oh, panna cotta. I'm the only one who probably eats that, but still it's worth making it. I've also got crepes and some waffle mixes, so I'll leave those for another day, but at least we've got a couple here. And I've also got this cake mix. I wouldn't make this as a cake, but little cupcakes, so I might do that. This was like 50 cents at Coles, so let's grab that one. And then I don't even know why meal things in here. We have chocolate cake. I'll save that for another time. All right, let's have the breakfast. There's some coconut there. I might make some cornflake cookies because there's hardly any there, and I can always top it up with some more crunchy nut if I need. All right, I think that's everything in there for now. So let's go to the baking cupboard. It's my hiding treat hole. So I've been saving like little bits left over to make a base for like a cheesecake or something. Could do that, might put it on the list. Also, hubby didn't want these Turkish delights and I said that I'd put them into a slice, so I might do that. Put that over there. And we're going to need some marshmallows, and we're going to need some chocolate. All right, let's get baking. All right, we're going to start making some Anzac biscuits. I think I said cookies when I first pulled the oats out. This recipe is on my channel. I did it for Anzac Day, 25th of April. So you can look back. I'll try and remember to put the link in the description below. They're very quick and simple, and I'm also able to use up some toasted coconut that I had in the cupboard. I did a trick with an oven with some coconut. You put it on a tray and then you bake it, and you see where the hot spots of your oven are depending on where the coconut is cooked. So yes, here are the first batch, and I still have a couple bits left. I didn't do the whole roll it into balls and then roll it flat. I just kind of did mismatch of shapes, and it's quite funny because they barely fit into the cookie jar either, so which you'll kind of see later that I have trouble getting one out. Then I thought I'd make a second batch, and then I thought, hang on a second, actually I'd be curious to know if these would work as like a bar slice like I tried to do the other week, but just using what I already have. So, and they worked out really well. Okay, next we're going to be making Rocky Road, Turkish Delight Rocky Road. I had that left over Turkish Delight, and I've just melted chocolate and then put in some marshmallows. Here's me just cleaning out the bowl. And put it all there, and that will go super quick. All right, on to making a jelly. Nothing much exciting to say here, except I was planning on putting it into 4 bowls, but then I decided I'll just make 2 big ones, one for each Kira and Scott, and then that will be a dessert for them one night. And then we've got this cake. So I'm not going to make it as a double layer cake. What I'm going to do is probably make it as some cupcakes. So I'll do the pink first, put that together, and then I'll do the chocolate. And then, yeah, ran out of milk part way. Good job. And then I decided, hang on, I could make like a marble cake. So you'll see in a minute, I try and put the 2 colors together in the tin. I should not be a soap maker. I do not know how to mix colors or marble or anything, but oh well, I guess they say practice makes perfect, don't they? Yeah, look at this mess. Oh, funny. Yeah, let's just make that a marble. All right, here's our oat slice out, and it turned out way better than I expected. I could have cooked it a bit longer to make it crunchier, but I've left it for now. And yeah, it just tastes like a super fat Anzac biscuit. So I'm very, very happy with this one. I didn't like the oat slice that I tried the other week, but this one I'm very happy. So it's just the Anzac cookie recipe in a tray. And then here is the Turkish Delight Rocky Road, and I'm just cutting it all up. I like to try and have a look at it and see if I can see any little bits of Turkish Delight in there, especially because there was a few different colors. There was some green, so yeah. Hubby will be happy with this, and it will be a challenge between my daughter and my husband to see who eats the most, because it's a bit of a family favorite. So just icing the cake, and I'm pretty happy with it. And the next day the icing set a little bit harder as well, which is really good. The cake's a little bit crumbly in general, but it still tastes good. That's what counts. Less calories if it's crumbly, right? Calories pull out. So here's the cornflakes that I didn't get around to doing, and the panna cotta. I will probably put them down for another baking session if you would be interested in me doing that. There were a few other treats that I saw in there. And the next day, here is half the cake gone. Here's the oat slice. I've just stuck in a little container with a few more pieces gone. And the cookies, which I could barely get them into the jar, so I don't know about getting them out again. Jelly, and the Rocky Road, which is missing quite a few bits. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and watch me try and get this cookie out of the container. Leave me a comment below and subscribe. We would love to have you as part of our Frugal Fun family. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.